says here, Eley Prime, Golden Eagle, Target 50/50. So this is a Target ammo. There's not much else on the box, so I'm going to have to look this up for you guys and put that info in the comments. But we'll try this out and see how it does, and I'll put the links and everything below. Okay. So this is the Eley Prime Golden Eagle Target 50/50. And as you can see, that is pretty darn good. We had a few flyers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And left to right, our grouping is only 1 3/4. Top to bottom, we had one that kind of went way out there, but that's okay. So we got 2 1/2 top to bottom. You take out the flyers, left to right. Our ammo is 1 3/8 by 1 1/2. So that's pretty good. 1 3/8 by 1 1/2. That's Eley Prime Golden Eagle Target 50/50.